Hello. Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Good night, mate. We are for once gonna plug in to the display. Boys. Display plug-in, boys. What do we got here today? Oh no! Oh fuck, that system's not working again. Fuck. Fuck. Whatever. Whatever, mate. Moit. Can't be bothered messing around with that. Streaming was not meant to slow me down, it was to speed me up. We're gonna get a big screen study. Man, sometimes I wish I could just play Guild Wars all day. Fortunately, I can't. Okay, that doesn't want to show for some reason. Oh no. Fuck me. Uh... Why does it do this? Why? How? I don't know how to reactivate it. How do you reactivate shit in here? I know there's a way to do this, but I mean it's just really delayed. I don't know. To resize it? No. No. Resizing this? No. Moving this around? No. Okay, now it's frozen. Ugh. It's weird because the settings are often there. It's just hidden. I don't know. I can't fix it right now. Anyway, you guys are gonna watch nothing apparently. Watch nothing with no sound. Oh, I'm getting a call from my beloved. Be right back. Oh, oops. Sorry. I thought I turned it back on. Sorry, guys. Hello, Galactics, and hello, Hada. How's it going? Love your name, Galactics. Sorry, boys. Boys. Sorry, I'm in a weird mood right now. Um, so right now we are kind of copying this over because we are sort of redoing this a little bit. It needs to be more organized. We don't need that. We don't. Well, we do. Oh, I don't think we actually need that at the moment. But let's see. If you go to content view, we should see something here. That is the launch view, I believe, right? So we're gonna rename this launch view. Yeah, there we go. Um, Launch view. I'm gonna make a new folder here. Uh, Views. Holy moly. Launch views. There we go. Oh no, views. Launch view. Cool. What do we have next? Now we do actually want this in here, I think. So this is fine to put in here, I'm pretty sure. I think launch view is actually fine to copy over fully. Um, yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with launch view. So I'm gonna copy these over. Travel, hold on. Where did I use travel? Travel.toggle. Tab start dot toggle. Travel.toggle. Hold on, where's our navigation here? Is presented travel dashboard. Yeah, I do like that navigation, so I'm gonna keep that. So we will use this, but I do need to organize it a bit more. Let's copy that. Navigation binding. Uh, Login details. Background. Um, Actually, this whole thing will be back. Oh shit! This whole thing will be background. Then we do have this within a nav stack, so I will do that. Nav stack, perfecto. And then outside of this title image, we have a double spacer with a VStack. We'll pretty much copy that as well. Actually, we might just copy this whole thing because I'm pretty happy with this page. I think I did a decent job on this one. Holy. Oh, did I copy the whole? That's fine. Can't find dashboard. There we go. Cool. So it looks the same. You go in, do your shit, and login appears. I like that. What's up, Bunny Cat? What is up? Like, what's up? I'm redoing the app at the moment. I have to reorganize it because I really built it as a prototype. Kind of annoyed. Yeah, well, I'm kind of annoyed too because I got ants still over here, but I've set a trap for them now. So, hopefully that'll work, but I don't know what they're I have no idea what they're doing, where they're going. I literally can't find any spot on what they're just walking along the wall randomly. So, just set up AWS and now I'm making rounds in banks to activate my e-commerce facility. What? What's AWS? I've tried following them. I don't understand. Woo. All right. Um, what's next? So happy with that. So launch view we can forget about now, I think, except for the fact we need to add destination. Actually, we can just straight up put that in probably. Should we just name that as dashboard as well? New file from template dashboard, which is the same as the other one. So this should now navigate to dashboard when I fill this in. Yep, perfect. Now let's go to dashboard. It's web dev. Oh, okay. It's what Amazon Web Services. Oh. Oh, okay. 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 Now, again, we need the background set up. So we're gonna have a massive Z stack here. Oh yeah, I need a little legends text view. Where's that? No, okay, I need to, this is what I need to change. I need this to be an image from Trello that I have. So let me open that goddamn thing up. Where the frick is this? What you use for the back end? It will probably be, it's either going to be Firebase or Apple CloudKit. I'm not sure yet. Depends how easy it is to implement CloudKit versus, depends which one's easier and perhaps which one's cheaper as well. I need to handle images in my InstaClone, but right now I just have completed profiles. Oh, okay. Next up is showing users in a list and making a full system. Ooh, sounds fun. Sounds freaking fun. Love it. I love it. Where the frick is the, gotta find this goddamn image. Oh, here we go. Here's our assets. Wait, the asset's not there. Oh, yes, it is there. It's there. It's there. No stress. Where is the image on my, do I have it here on my Mac? Icons, no. Well, I do have it here. Okay. All right, I'll drag these into the assets folder. This is gonna be new. Oh wait, oops. Should be in here. Oh, should be in here. Get in there, bitch. There you go. Cool. So, um, now you know what? I just realized we should be doing this on an iPad because it's actually gonna be an iPad app. Is that gonna load or what? No? Oh, it's loading. Okay. It's funny because it works in the meantime. There's a lot to do. Oh, yes, there is. I got to get all this done by Thursday. So there's a lot to do for me, too. Just really spit everywhere. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. It actually looks decent. Okay, okay. It's a bit small, but okay. Not gonna lie, it still looks good. Damn, son. All right. We want to go. It looks freaking good on tab. It does. It's shockingly good. Okay, Little Legends. This part, I am gonna copy this again because this is exactly what I need. Except this is gonna become an image, and this is gonna become screen logo black. Oosh. Oosh. Screen logo white. Um, Now this is gonna be an error. This has to be, um, oh, holy fuck. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. Um, Wait, there we go. Whoops. Okay, so it's obviously on screen logo white at the moment. Also, just letting you guys know, I do have to go in like 30 minutes because I have to go to the chiropractor. But great news, I will be back after that. Um, so whether dark mode is true or not, it's gonna be black. That's what we want, but I need to figure out how can we chiropractor? Yeah, gonna go to chiropractor. So that looks good. Damn, that actually looks really good. Bit small. Um, to view that. I could make that a binding. For wait, how do I do this? I have to put the what is it called? Code something dot screen something. Okay, I know roughly what I need to do. I need to go over to AI and get the answer real quick. Just copy this. See if this works. Ah, That's right. Okay, I knew there was something here I had to add. It's an environment variable. Dot color scheme. Bar color. Uh, say mode. Mode equal to dot dark question mark. If it's dark, it should be. Actually, I'll just put. If it's white, it should be light. Should be. Yeah, there we go. Easy peasy. We don't need that anymore. Forget that. Perfect. That's awesome. Watching the frangent flower blooms with dignity. No, is that an anime? I have not seen that. I haven't even heard of it. All right, dashboard. Should I look into that? Okay, that's way small, but wait, I did this in dashboard. Wait, I need no. I need it not in dashboard. Um, Fragrant. Fragrant? It's an anime. It's peak. Okay, I'll have a look. I haven't seen that. Literally one of the best romance animes. Oh, interesting. I've never watched romance before. I'm looking to expand my horizons with anime styles or types. Um, okay, that's very interesting. That's so weird. Okay. Now I need to actually, this is wrong. I need to cut this and make it its own file. New file from template. Uh, text view. Whoa, holy. Why's my keyboard doing that? All right. Nope. Because I did not add the environment object. But we will now. Perfect. Perfect. Perfecto. Not even Kaguya-sama? No, I don't think I've seen that either. The only ones I've seen are like mainstream ones, which are like Ghibli stuff, I'd say. Nothing specifically in that realm, to be honest. Okay, now we are gonna throw this view in there. Sweet. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got some stuff. We're cooking. Cooking with fire. Cooking with gas. Ah, fuck. My damn I don't want my my other PC my PC's what's it called? Screensaver just went on. That was annoying. All right, so what are we doing now? All right, let's get our background. Let's get our Z stack going. Z stack. This again. Maybe we make that into a view. Ooh. Are we happy with that? I don't know. What happens if you do light? Wait. It changes the color of the. Huh. Okay. Weird. No, it does that. Why does it change the color of the dang background? Oh well. Let's just go with light for now, because it's fine. Maybe it'll always be light. I don't know. Now what? What have we got here? So these, I think I need to extract into buttons, separate buttons. Here's the thing that we need to do. So, um, I'll extract that later into a button. I mean, not a button, its own. Well, actually, can I extract it? Can I not make that a variable? I forget how to do it. Is it through? I think it's through a function. Let me double check. Check Discord. Hold on. Oh wow, that looks cool. Nice. I like that. Great colors too. That's awesome. That's awesome. Looks sick. Good job, man. Oh, is it not a function? Func background. Turn some view. There we go. That's it. I think the Z stack is encompassing more than one thing. Yeah. So I'll just copy that. Let's put that back. Put that in there. Does that work? Let's see if I can put that in. Background. So that works as a function, but isn't it better to make it a variable? Whoa. Crash. Because I tried to run the function. Does that work? No. Does that work? I don't know how to do this. No, it does not work. Uh, Hold on. The whole app theme is gonna be pink. Oh, I love pink. Let's fill out my chair when it's finished. I'll view the profile section gets. Oh, that's great. That's perfect. That's perfect. It looks just like Instagram. that work? No. Oops. Okay, kinda something or other. I don't know. We'll consider that more later. Um, Now what else do we have here? Now we actually want that background. We want that actually accessible throughout the whole thing. Oh, I'm making a mistake. So I need a new color thing here. Don't I? Yeah, new color set. Background. Just realized it's showing follow button. My own profile. There's still work to do. There's always a bug. Uh, None. And this is gonna be. You can actually do this on here. That's pretty much the color, right? And then not opacity. Oh yeah. No, we don't need to. Ah, that's why we don't need to change opacity. Let's just go with that color there. Background. So we're gonna. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Now, whenever I change this color, it'll change the whole thing if I need to. It'll change anywhere that has the background color. That is what I need. I think a darker, more in like more intentional blue is where we want to go with that. I want to match that though, to be honest. Did it not update to that? No, it didn't. Huh? Wait, just to double check to see if it's updating, I'm gonna make it some random color. Okay, it is updating. Can I do it in here? No. Okay. Well, let's go again to here, show color panel. Let's do that maybe. That looks good. Dashboard. Huh? See why is it not updating? Weird. Okay, that should be updated. Yeah, okay, that's what we want. That's the color. That is the color. Right. So launch view. We have the background color. We also want this to be we want that to be here. And we'll put this in background. Okay, it did not update. Whatever. It's like it has to be a significant change to do it. Or maybe it just looks so similar that I picked the exact color. I don't know. All right. Back to dashboard. What do we got going on here? What do we got going on here? you guys hear me, by the way? My mic still on? Yeah, okay, cool. All right. Now, I'm actually going to copy this spacing section here. Speaking of, I'm actually going to copy this whole, what is this? That's the V, is that the V stack? Okay. Aside, well, I actually need to copy this, and I'm going to remove or move that stuff. Because I do want this layout, but I need to modify it. I don't want to do all the work again. So we'll just do that. There will be some issues in here. I do want these effects as well, so I'm going to keep those. Actually, I'm going to keep all of these. This is actually fine. We'll get more data on them soon. All right, so now we just have to... Wait. Why is there a background in this? There's no... Huh? Now what's going on? Whenever I edit my profile, the username changes. Oh no, it doesn't update the in the is owner check. So it treats my own profile as someone else's, showing the follow button. Oh, that's weird. That's annoying. Do ownership checks by user ID. Users can't change that. Yeah, you have to do. You should do it by the ID. That makes sense. What doesn't make sense is why. Oh, because it was outside the view, right? That makes sense. Yeah, that does make sense. Okay, Little Legends is there. For some reason, this is not showing the icons. I don't know why. That's weird. Why is it not showing the icons? Hello? Clean the build. Build. Oops. Building. Success. Let's rerun this. What? What? Huh? Wait, what's going on here? If I... what is going on here? But that icon's there. If I fill to... Oh, is it white? No, that's not it. It's actually up here. Image. It should... Yeah, it should have a thing here. What if I put just dot color... dot background dot red. Okay, so it has... That's so weird. What's going on here? What is going on here? Hold on. Have I copied something unnecessarily? I don't think so. Oh, because I haven't actually... Delete that. We do want this for now. We do want this, actually, all of this. They haven't been drawn on. That's why. So, let's see. Let's go into here. See if this is working. Okay, nice. That all works the same. Perfect. Now, I want to extract that out to a variable. I forget how to do it. I need to watch the guy's video again. Because Grok doesn't want to tell me how to do it. Gotta get ready in a sec to leave. What are you trying to do? Hey, Jonathan, I'm trying to separate this out into like a variable. I think, is it extension that's easy to do that? Yeah, they need to be a bit, they will be a bit bigger. I'm just trying to sort out some things here. So let's get out below extension view var body sum view, I think, right? And then we can do, can we extract that out? So now we could put, but would it be view or? Now I don't know. You can say it's a function and returns some view. Is a function the best way to do it, or is an extension the better way to do it? I was thinking function too. Get rid of func. I don't need a view builder, I think. I think I can just func it out. You know what I mean? Like, if I just do func um image my image return some view, I can just put this in there, right? And then I can just do run my image up here, right? Same thing. The func looks a little bit better, right? Oh yeah, and a struct. Yeah, I could do it as a struct too. I don't know, but func, I don't know if, so if we've got it there, and then that's when I would just put my image in, right? My image of this type. Oh no, oops. My image like that, right? Another same thing. A lot of people opt to use those funcs inside their views for quick subviews that need a little over. Yeah, I think function might be the way to go. I think I'm kind of liking the function. The extension feels a bit unnecessary, and so does the struct. I might just go with that. Just put a billion functions in here. Might even do that with this background. Oh, I don't really need to at that point. That with that thing. Because I want to make this look as clean as possible in the easiest, the nicest looking view in the world. I don't want to call that my image either, though. This can actually be title image. Also, View Builder just lets you do certain logic that makes constructing views easier. You know, I've never actually used View Builder before. Can you walk me through how I would do it? Or is that maybe that's too complicated? I might look into it. because I don't know how to like place setup view builder there. It's just an attribute you apply to a function. Normally, if statements and switch statements are really weird when declaring views, unless you say view builder. Oh, well, as in like just putting view builder here? But like, what does that even do? Because that's just an unnecessary extra thing, right? Or can I take that out? But then, I don't know. Because I don't know much about view builder, to be honest. Not yet, anyway. Does that work? No. Need to access some variables there. Specifically if you're writing a view that has logic. Oh, so in this one I would do that, right? Then. So then I would use view builder. So I wouldn't use it here, but I use it here, which might have logic in here. But then, oh, well, I wouldn't need this here. Well, I wouldn't even need this here anyway, because I could just separate this out to, like, here, right? Oh, or would I need it? No, doesn't work there. I'll have to look into view builder more so I can understand how it works. Always done something wrong here. Oh, thank you, Jonathan. Thank you. Have a good night. Oh shit, guys, I gotta go. Fuck. I realize I'm just gonna funk logic. Just gotta paste that in there. Funk. Oh, fuck. I have that. Okay. I actually gotta go. Yeah. Sorry, guys. But I'll be back later. I'll be back after my chiropractor session. I just have to pick up Emmy. She's out at the moment, so. No, it's not networking app. I just couldn't change that earlier, and I couldn't be bothered to fix it. This is my project, my startup. All right, guys. See you in a bit.